Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So today I'm going to show you guys how I get approved for Webull options trading level 2 on a cash account. I'm not sure why Webull would like to separate it. Maybe it's easier for user to identify which one's a margin account, which one's a cash account. But anywho, I'm going to be getting approved for level 2 options, and I know I'm going to get approved because I've done this before. It's up to you if you want to follow, but this is what I do. Wink, wink. Not your financial advice at all. Trading options is super risky. I know this is long overdue since I have a video way back in 2021 about the approval process. So this is what I do specifically, okay? And it's up to you if you want to follow along. So top right, click on this toggle icon. And then you want to scroll down to your individual cash accounts. So option trading level, apply now. And then hit apply right over here. And then what I'm going to select is level 2 right over here. And you could learn more if you want. Click next. For me, I'm going to click extensive. Okay, next. Now on this one, it says, how many years of option investments experience do you have? 3+ years. Next. And on this screen, they warn you about the risk of trading option. Make sure you read this over and over again, okay? Make sure you know. And then I have read and accept this. Now, I know not a lot of people have crazy amount of money, so I'm going to just select this one over here. Just select this one as is. So I'm going to scroll down, and if you watch my other videos, I got approved just by clicking on these items right over here, and this is the setting I have in place. Then click this checkbox right over here, select next. Then you have your disclosure and agreements for you to read. Click and sign right over here, so e-sign, then hit submit. And voila. So level 2, your current option level 2, and these are the option trades I could do. And if I go back to my individual cash account for option trading level, it says level 2. So there you have it. Here's how I got approved for it for option trading level 2 on a cash account. See you next time. Peace.